Yo, what's up, guys? Senkai Kev back with another pack opening. We got, I think, 11 packs of Journey Together and 17 packs of Destined. I have already opened some on my stream, but decided to, start recording it so I can upload it. So, here we go. Now we're back into it. Why the T go there? Oh, sweet Kunte. Interesting. I'll show you guys all the other code cards in case there's a code card collector. I don't know if people even use that really nowadays, but coughing, Verizion, my boy Articuno, cool card. Ooh, I kind of like that mirror. I'm gonna keep that actually. Bombardier, Noivern. Let me show you guys these other cards. Bam. You guys can claim those, do whatever you want. I don't care. But a like and a follow would be appreciated if you enjoy the content. It'll help me be able to find more stuff in the wild. It won't. It won't do anything. Except help my videos get out there. That would mean a lot. Basic energy. Petilil, Pillow Swine, Coufant. Green and red your eyes, Petilla. God, oh my god. I do like Ludicolo. He's just a partier, you know? He's just there to chill. He's a chill guy. I'm running out of trash can space because I did not empty it for my last opening. A little unfortunate. Basic Zorua, Tropius. Disappointment of a Pokemon. I I need to play the newer games. Forgot to try Yui Snag Day JT at Walmart. Oh shit! What? Paris, my boy, Drampa, Kilowattrel. We'll put Paris to the side too. I think so. I just ordered a new binder. It's another top loader binder. Because I need to separate my One Piece from my Pokemon because my Pokemon's over. I have all of these Pokemon cards, but I've caught up to where I put my One Piece section at. So I need to like reorganize everything. So I bought another top loader binder to be able to put my Pokemon ones in specifically, and then I'll just make that one my One Piece one, and just like my other cards in general. Organization. I know. I'm trying to organize. My shit's a mess. I still love the Starmanitan. I think it's such a cool one. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Maractus, another Ludicolo. The hits aren't looking great. So far, we got a Swinub, IR, and a Salamence EX. I can't open this. Help! Help! Yeah, we opened it with my teeth. Get over it. They're nice. They're coming. I hope they come in Destined, bro. I don't care too much about Journey Together hits. I mean, there's some cool cards in Journey Together. I think it's an underrated set, but I need those Destined hits. You know what I'm saying? Give me a little Mewtwo. You know, nothing big. Oh, that's such a cute card, though. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna keep that too. I just like that card. Isn't that cute, Scar? That thing's fucking adorable, yeah. I have the Salamence. You want the Salamence? I'll trade it. I don't have any love for Salamence. Yeah. You don't see the quality. Oh, no, you can't see that. Yeah, I have it. It's one of the first big hits I got. Nimble. Like and rock. Ooh. Oh, because you want to get it graded, huh? I don't know if it's gradable. It's probably a 9, if I had to guess. I mean, I got my binder right there. We're just gonna go through I love Fungus, bro. Fungus is so cute. Same with Noibat. Rock Scouting, Volcarona, Hops. Oh, we got the Whale Lord! Let's go! Yes! This card is fucking gorgeous. I love this card. It's so beautiful. This oh man, this card is so underrated. An $11 card, but it is so good. Put that over there with my hits. Go ahead and update my. Oh, I'm sorry. It's a $16 card now. I'm so sorry. Then we got a Snorlax hollow. That's kind of a cool hollow. And there's the code card for all you little nerds. All right, set this pile to the side. I need to get rid of all my bulk, man. I have so much bulk. Should I just sell it on Facebook for like $7? Just bags of it. I don't know what else to do with it. I don't want to throw it away, but like I just have bags of bulk sitting in my room. Comfy, Centric, Maractus, Toad School. Artillery. Laser Bombing. Great bonfire fuel. That's insane. You should be ashamed for that. Smite thee. Take a look, guys. Take a look. Because I gotta check something real quick. Alright, sorry, I had to talk shit real quick. Yeah, but they'll buy it for like $4 per thousand or something. Oh, I've been cruising through these Journey Together. I don't actually like the Zoroark. I think there's way cooler ones. Way cooler ones, in my opinion. Like the one from Ascended. I think this one's kind of lame. I do really like N though. I think N is a cool character. He's just a chill guy that likes Pokemon, you know? I like Wally too. Wally's dope. Wally was my bro when I played through Emerald, Ruby, and Sapphire. I loved Wally. Wally was my boy. Wally a big bitch. Yeah, Wally will fuck you up with his Gardevoir. How's that sound? You leave Wally alone. Alright? I'm getting all these lilies or bombays. You know what? Even if I don't get one of these bigger hits, you'll do what? You're gonna do what to his Gardevoir? Oh, wait, I forgot that my chat gets cut off. I always wondered, like, when I was doing openings, why I never saw the chat. Yeah, I was covering it with my big ass forehead. Fungus? I love Fungus. I need to get like a Fungus stuffed animal or something. Lucky Energy? Ah. Last pack. Last pack of Journey Together. Is there a hit in here? Is it for good luck? You know what's crazy, Scar? Kale has hit multiple Clefairies from this. Multiple Clefairy. Like what, 3? I think you've hit 3 or at least 2. I know for sure. Purloin? Professor's research. Oh, 2 from Ascended. Okay. Cloth, my boy Cloth. We hit an Articuno. And oh god, another Salamence. I'm not gonna sleeve it. Alright. Not gonna lie. Journey Together kind of cooked us. So, recap. We got Whale Lord, huge. We got 2 Salamence EX and a little Swinubby. Little Swinubby. But we did get them for MSRP. That is true. So we'll put the big hits over here. I mean, I wouldn't call Swinub a big hit, but we'll put him over here with the Whale Lord. All right. Now the big boys come out to play some Destined Rival. Just one hit. That's all I'm asking for. Just one little tiny hit. Please, sir, please. Just a tiny little hit. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. Just a Mewtwo. Just a Moltres. Just a Garchomp, you know? Mischief. Dolive. Stupid Pokemon, by the way. Quilava. Recycler. I love my Murkrows. Any Murkrow lovers in the chat? Sudowoodo. Misty's Starmie. Mewtwo EX. The Garchomp is so cool. One of the people in the group chat hit it, and I don't remember who it was. Wrong Mewtwo. I'm saying, always giving me the wrong stuff. Like, silly Pokemon. Don't you know it was supposed to be the SIR? But anyways, Ball Toy. Let me move my keyboard over. Sudowoodo, Squovet. Stupid. I like Toadscroll. Toadscroll was a cool. I don't think Devin got it. It may have been Eddie. I don't remember. Or maybe it was dang. Maybe it was like Barrett or something. I don't know. I don't remember. It was one of them. Well, he opens thousands upon thousands of dollars of cards. You're bound to get everything when you do that. Metachan. Psyduck. Hydrapple. You do need to get another snap. That's where we post all the drops and stuff when they happen. All the Pokemon centers. That's where he sends the eBay stuff, which I guess he sends it to you anyways, but you know. It'd be better if you were in the chat so you could see everything. Roselia, Laffy, Wheezing, Granite Cave, Ampharos, Balava, Skarmory, Roserade. Wait, like it blocked your whole thing? It blocked your whole phone? Dang. Hope you guys can read that upside down. It perma-banned my phone. Can you like can you request a unbanning maybe? Shroomish? I'm getting cooked on Destined, guys. I'm getting cooked. Man. Fuck it. I didn't do the card trick. I don't care. I gotta get something. A lot of grass types showing up. No way. It's the wrong Ho-Oh! The wrong Mewtwo and the wrong Ho-Oh. They're cucking me. Code card. Looks like a hollow. Dang it. Drowsy. Wait, Golbat. Mudsdale. Nidorino. Clamperl. There's no shot I open this much Destined and don't get at least an IR out of it. No shot, right? 17 packs? Surely I can get something out of here. Justice for Kev. Justice for Kev. Roselia. Nidoran. Flaffy. I bought some stuff on eBay. That'll come in. Oh my god, away! Already. We're gonna save this. We're gonna save this. That lasted, what, a week? If that? uh, Keeping stuff sealed is so boring. I don't know how people do it. I genuinely don't. I would much rather rip and lose money than just keep something sealed sitting there. Buskin? Oregon? But if this is any indication, don't open it. Devin already hit the Reshiram monochrome. So he already got the hit out of the group on that. I wouldn't even do it. Wouldn't even do it. In fact, just give me it. I bought a Pitch Black ETB. I bought a Power World booster box just cause. And Spide Ops. Bro, this is like the only IR I ever get in this stupid set. I swear. I think I traded my last one in though. This one looks pretty centered, actually. Is that on the card? What is that? Of course, it has a white speck. That's a 9. Haha. Bro, my 151 booster bundle is sitting in my room, and I'm just like, last time I opened 151, I hit the Poliwhirl. Almost called him Whirlpool. I'm so tired. I'm burnt out. I've worked so much the last 2 weeks. Or I guess just the last week in general. My boy Crustle. Slammed my hand into my phone again. Please don't let Spidops be the only card I hit. I beg. I beg. I don't see anything. Oh my god. There's no way I'm getting this cooked on Destined. There's a way. You know what? Okay. Cool Typhlosion too. Okay. 2 IRs. 2 IRs. You can say that, but I've gotten 4 hits. It's not great considering I've opened almost 30 packs, but you know, that's horrible. Bro, it doesn't matter if it's that or not. Yo, what's up, fell 4? How you been? How you been? Doesn't matter if it's a chase or not, or that Walmart or not. I don't get chases unless I go to Alabama. My low tick, nose pass, Rotom, Roserade. What we got? 4 packs left. GG's, guys. A pack above the bottom has a full art. We'll see. Is it going to be a good full art though? You guessed the last one. Last time we did a pack opening, you called it. Is it gonna be a good one or a mid one? Sorry. Nidorino. Kangaskhan. Ogerpon. Another Ogerpon. Come on. Nope. Normal full art. Great. Can't wait. Can't wait. You know, I would take the yeah. I'll pull it up. I would happily take a Mewtwo full art, even if it wasn't the SIR. I'll just take it. I mean, at this rate, oh God, I'll take anything. Please, 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 Sacred Ash, Hypno, Huntail. I used to think Huntail was so cool. I don't know why. But Hydrapple. Man, man, dang it. Yes, but dang it. I'll show you after the Kale, there's no way to tell. There's no way to tell. They can't scan it and be like, "Oh yeah, this is a dud. We'll put this one in at this Walmart." Like, give it a break. Cyndaquil, Mischief, Jingling, Mantilis, coughing. Just kidding. It's wheezing. I know. Come on, Swellow. Sarah Aura. They're cucking on. They have supply. They're the only people that ever have supply. Last pack. Come on, baby. Please. Please have a nice little SIR. And never anything huge. And you know what? When you find drops there, you're gonna buy them again. Because we have an addiction to ripping packs. Rotom, Nidoran, Ogerpon, Lurantis. Please, please, please. Transceiver. Here we go. Here we go. I hate this stupid olive. I don't even know what Pokemon Champion is. What is that? You know what, Mooney? It's all yours, buddy. It's all yours. I'll send it to you. expeditiously. All right. Let's do a little recap of everything we got. Let me go ahead and hard sleeve these. To be fair, that is a cool Hydrapple. I had it before. Think I traded it in. Might keep it. Eradicate. I also think I traded in. And I know I traded in my Spider. All right. Little recap. From Destined, we hit OO, Mewtwo EX, and our Believer EX, as well as Spidops, Eradicate, and Hydrapple. And Journey Together, we hit another Swinub. Very cute card, by the way. I love the background of it. And this card is so beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. I spent a lot of money on all this stuff and didn't get a fraction of it back. But I don't even care because I love this Whale Lord. It's off-centered, so it won't 10. But I might send this to Ace and get it get that special label to color match. Because I think that card's so pretty. And then 2 Salamence EXs. Anyways, thank you for watching the opening. If you liked it, please leave a like. Leave a... Why is my shirt sticky? I don't know. Leave a like, leave a comment, and be sure to subscribe. It would mean a lot. Until next time.